Ever spent weeks tailoring frameworks for a client only to realize your McKinsey 7S doesn't align with their BCG growth share matrix priorities? The Consulting Methodology Pack gives you instant access to battle tested tools, SWOT analysis templates with weighted scoring algorithms, Porter's 5 forces heat maps, Lean Six Sigma DMAIC workflows, NPV-driven ROI calculators, and implementation roadmaps with Gantt CPM integrations. This isn't just a toolkit, it's your new secret weapon against confused spreadsheets and midnight PowerPoint crises. For management consultants, strategy leads, engagement managers, and VPs stuck in strategic alignment meetings, this is how you deliver client results that actually stick. Here's what's inside the Consulting Methodology Pack. Diagnostic phase starts with business health scorecards using balanced scorecard metrics and pestle risk modeling. Framework library includes customizable McKinsey 7S architectures, BCG matrix scenario planners, and Cotter change management blueprints. Recommendation engine features ROI projection models with Monte Carlo simulations and sensitivity analysis sliders. Implementation phase delivers milestone trackers with critical path visualizations and stakeholder alignment matrices. Each phase comes with working code templates, performance benchmarks, and progress checklists. And it works everywhere: Claude Code, Cursor, Gemini CLI, Windsurf, Copilot, Warp, and more. This is your operating system for consultancy excellence. Installing the Consulting Methodology Pack takes one command: npx quanta-skills add consulting methodology pack. That's it. You get the full workflow: 12 diagnostic tools, 8 framework families, 50 plus customizable templates, and implementation trackers with automated status reporting. No more digging through shared drives for last quarter's Porter's Diamond model. Your AI assistant now auto-loads McKinsey-grade methodologies and triggers implementation alerts based on client KPI drift. Master frameworks aren't just for consultants anymore. They're your new superpower. Just don't blame us when your firm's knowledge base becomes a single source of truth.